Hi, I'm showing all my fidget toys. Yeah, all the collection of fidget toys. Let me show you. So, here, put the camera right over there. And like right over here, this is the bathroom, this is the TV, here are the toys, here's like, right over here is the little stuff, some decoration, and right over there, little stuff, and I have some fidget spinners. It doesn't work so much.
Pt.2 It's way funny. Carly's hot, awesome videos. It's free. No charge. It's available 24/7.
My little pinky finger. Please tell me something about it. Not about China, because obviously all the kids stay in China. This is the middle finger in China. The little finger is the middle finger in China. That's not true. Everyone is. They'll never do this in China. What? It's just a pinky promise. And I have this other thing that it has a marble inside of it, and just move the marble.
Why aren't you dressed? Because I need to borrow a fancy bra. I thought you just bought one to fill the bra. Yeah, but I got borrowed.
I have another blue one. Over here, pink one and a blue one.
When you eat ribs, you gotta wear a shirt.
But I don't have the bean thing that you do it like this. I don't have it. And I have these little squishies. And I have this other thing.
Talking to some European swimsuit models.
European swimsuit models?
Yeah, there's a bunch of them down there waiting to use
But
some
do you know
calendar
something?
shoot across the street. The photographer missed his plane.
And these models in the lobby are
What
actually
the?
wearing their swimsuits.
I just made
Yeah,
this.
they're just.
Okay, you're not allowed to think about European swimsuit models until
I
you
didn't even know I
finish.
can make this. I was like, what the?
Yeah.
But I did it like this and like this. But I didn't know I could do it like this. Done. And I was like, what the? But it's the bed of them. I could put them in here. But if I only use two, I could use this and put the other ones in like this. There we go. Oops, it fell. I have this other thing that you can make like this. I don't know the names of a lot of fidget toys.
It's like 10 feet.
Okay. Oops, it fell. So this goes like this. You open it, and there you can move it. Move it. But don't worry, I'm gonna do this thing. Right over here, and then the green one right over here. And now I'm gonna do this thing. There we go. You think it's all messy, but no. Because thank God I have this thing. There we go. I fixed it. It took a lot of time. No, pretend it did it. Because it didn't take a lot of time, it just fix it. She's so crazy. And I have this thing, I don't know what it is. And I can't do nothing with it, but I know this part. I just pull this right here.
Let's see if I remember your name.
There we go.
Of course, Lushnot. You're a guy, man.
There we go. That's how you use it, but I don't know how to use it more. And oops.
Much smaller.
And this is what I can do. I have some. I already showed my fidget spinner, and I haven't showed my wacky track. This is a thing that you can do. If you didn't know about wacky tracks, you can take it off like this, and then this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it like this, and then put it right over here inside, and it's gonna look like it doesn't have nothing. But don't be scared. You can take it off. Just need a little bit of muscle.
3, 2, welcome to the first ever iCarly Award.
Is that, and when you have it like this, you're just gonna put this thing like this. You can do this thing. Put this a little bit right over here, and put this right over here. And look, you just made one. If you have a wacky track, you can do it with whichever wacky track you have. And my favorite, I can use it like a control remote, and I add this thing. And you can press this button, but this button doesn't make sound, only this one and this one. Like this, and this is just a thing that you can do like this. And this other one you can just make it, oh, it's this one, like this. And this other thing that you can make like this, like that. And even this thing you can move. There we go. That's how it is. And it has this other thing, that's the TV, that you can move like this. Don't worry, it's not gonna break. Actually, it's for that thing. Now since I have it like this, I'm gonna move it, and I can move it easily. And this thing is another part of the TV that you just, it's like a hula hoop thing, and you just need to put all three in the hula hoops. Oh, it's so weird. I'm gonna put this in here. Okay, I have this other ball. Oops. And I have another one of those that's blue. Oops, it always falls. And I have this thing.
I know, it's awesome.
And now you get to make a speech.
Ooh.
I just want to thank my dad.
That's all the time we have for speech. Thank you, honey. Sorry about that. We had a lot of time.
And I have this thing that I know for it. And you're thinking, why doesn't have nothing? Because I put it in here.
Okay, our next award goes to an iCarly viewer.
There we go.
Ah! Shut your mouth!
There we go.
This girl can actually sing with her mouth shut.
And I have this thing that my friend uses like this. This is how you use it.
Just like the real award show.
Well, I think it's just like a thing. Like you do this or put some keys or something. I don't know, because it has like this little part right over here. See? That part. And I think I already, oh, I haven't showed this before. My school has it. Well, in my first grade.
Come on, guys, we gotta hurry. They're gonna get out the next door less than a minute. Hurry, you done? You my hair turbo. Yeah. Do women in your country have hair in their feet?
And I have this thing that was this.
Everybody, this is America, so
But I
people's hair
rip it off.
goes on their heads.
But it's still like this. No worries. I didn't use this thing. Somebody put in the comments, what is this for? And I don't know, because I can only move this, and I don't know why I can't move another thing less than this. You cannot move it. Oops. Oh, the bathtub. Because everyone goes to the bathtub. Ooh, ooh. That's why I use them, like, to play. We've already been 9 minutes. Okay, don't worry.
Paris, would you like to say a few words? Sure.
These are my favorites. Like, I saw a video that was like she was like, na 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 na, choco choco cheese. And the other girl was like this. I don't know what it means, fidget toys.
Thank you, Paris.
You don't want any fidget toys. Mommy, come on, fidget toys. It was so funny. But I noticed that she was using
The next video we're honored tonight
this,
is
these, and these. I was like, no, I want to fidget toys. I can't talk Spanish. If I say shh, she's gonna be all crazy. See. And my favorite is this one. And because it has some like I'm gonna win, no, I'm gonna win, yes! And like you move the little character. She can do a handstand. Oh, he can. And have this other thing. So, thanks guys for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.